In a landmark achievement for Ghana's aviation sector, the Prempeh, the first international airport in Kumasi, is poised to receive its first ever international flight on December 3rd, 2024. This historic development will see a direct flight from London Gatwick Airport arrive in Kumasi, a moment that underscores the immense progress Ghana has made in advancing its aviation infrastructure and connectivity. So stick to this video to the end as we explore the latest developments in Ghana's aviation sector, as this momentous announcement comes with certain key insights. Be sure to smash the like button so as to inform other people on this significant development. Let's get right into it. This Prempeh, the first international airport achievement, made possible through a strategic partnership between the Ghana Airports Company Limited and Ethiopian Airlines, is expected to transform the Ashanti region into an international travel hub, promoting trade, tourism and regional development. The announcement made by the Ghana Airports Company Limited on November 28, 2024 signals a turning point in Kumasi's development as a critical player in Ghana's broader economic strategy. For years, travelers have to solely rely on Accra's Kotoka International Airport for international flights. Now, with Prempeh, the first international airport upgraded to meet global standards, Kumasi is prepared to take its place on the world stage as an international destination. The Prempeh, the first international airport transformation, has been a long-term vision aimed at decentralizing air traffic in Ghana while promoting regional economic growth. The facility's development was executed in phases, beginning with critical upgrades to its infrastructure. The runway was to be extended from 1,981 meters to 2,500 meters, allowing it to handle larger wide-body aircraft essential for international routes. Additional developments included the construction of a modern terminal building with advanced facilities such as improved check-in counters, baggage handling systems, immigration and customs areas, and passenger lounges. Cutting-edge air traffic control systems and enhanced security infrastructure were also installed to ensure compliance with international aviation standards. These efforts culminated in the mid-2024 with the completion of the airport's transformation into a world-class facility. The airport upgrade was not just about improving infrastructure, it was a strategic move to unlock Kumasi's potential as a regional hub for trade, tourism and logistics. It aligns with Ghana's vision to distribute development evenly across the country and reduce congestion at Accra's Kotoka International Airport, which has been the sole gateway for international air travel for decades now. The inaugural flight from London Gatwick to Prempeh, the first international airport, will operate on the following schedule. The departure from London Gatwick would be at 2:10 a.m. The arrival at the Prempeh, the first international airport, would be at 9:05 a.m. Then the departure from the Prempeh, the first international airport, would be at 11 a.m. and back to arrival at London Gatwick at 6 p.m. In addition to the inaugural flight, a second flight has been scheduled for December 15th, 2024 to accommodate the holiday season. The Ghana Airports Company Limited has announced that a comprehensive flight schedule will be released in the coming weeks, offering passengers more opportunities to travel conveniently between Kumasi and London. The commissioning of the international flight at Prempeh, the first international airport, is a significant step towards realizing Ghana's aviation and economic goals. Among these are enhanced regional connectivity. The airport will position Kumasi as a secondary aviation hub, reducing pressure on the Kotoka International Airport and making international travel more accessible to residents in the Ashanti region and beyond. Boosting economic growth. By connecting Kumasi directly to international markets, the airport will serve as a catalyst for increased trade, investment and tourism, driving economic growth in the region. Promoting cultural heritage. As the cultural capital of Ghana, Kumasi has much to offer international tourists. The direct flight connection will facilitate easier access to the region's attraction, including the Menchia Palace, Kejetia Market and the vibrant Kumasi culture, encouraging diaspora engagement. The Ghanaian diaspora in the United Kingdom, particularly those with roots in the Ashanti region, will now have a direct and convenient route home. This is expected to increase remittance, tourism and investments in the region. Decentralizing development. The project aligns with Ghana's broader efforts to promote balanced national development, ensuring that economic opportunities extend beyond the capital city. The socioeconomic benefits of the Prempeh, the first international airport's international flight operations are far-reaching. The airport's upgraded infrastructure will not only facilitate passenger travel, but also enhance cargo transport. This is expected to benefit exporters in the Ashanti region, allowing for the efficient movement of goods such as cocoa, fruits and vegetables to the global market. Additionally, the hospitality and tourism industries in the region are poised for significant growth, With improved accessibility, international tourists will be more likely to visit Kumasi's historic and cultural landmarks, contributing to local businesses and creating jobs. The airport is also expected to generate employment opportunities directly and indirectly, from aviation operations to supporting industries such as logistics, transportation and hospitality. For Ghanaian families in the diaspora, especially in the United Kingdom, the direct route offers a cost-effective and time-saving way to reconnect with their homeland. This is expected to strengthen cultural and familiarities, as well as promote investment in real estate, education, and other sectors. The inauguration of the Prempeh the First International Airport's first international flight is only the beginning. The government has plans to expand the airport's operation further by introducing additional international routes to destinations such as Dubai, New York, and Lagos. These expansions aim to solidify Kumasi's role as a global aviation hub and further enhance Ghana's standing in the international travel market. Moreover, to support the increased passenger and cargo volumes, the government is investing in complementary infrastructure. This includes the development of improved road networks linking the airports to key cities and plans for a modern cargo terminal to handle increased freight volumes. Sustainability is a key focus, with initiatives underway to incorporate energy-efficient technologies and minimize the airport's environmental impact. While the project has been widely celebrated, it is not without challenges. Concerns from local communities regarding land use and relocations were addressed through consultations and compensation packages. The government remains committed to ensuring that the benefits of the project are shared equitably amongst all stakeholders. President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, speaking ahead of the inaugural flight, called on Ghanaians to take pride in the facility and protect it for future generations. The airport is more than an infrastructural project. It's a symbol of progress and unity. Let us ensure that it serves its purpose for years to come, he stated. The upcoming arrival of the first international flight at the Prempeh the First International Airport on December 3rd, 2024 marks a historic milestone in Ghana's aviation history. With its modern infrastructure, strategic vision, and focus on economic growth, the facility is poised to transform Kumasi into a hub of international travel and commerce. As Ghana continues to invest in aviation infrastructure and regional development, the success of the Prempeh the First International Airport serves as a testament to the nation's commitment to progress. The milestone not only elevates Kumasi's status on the global stage but also ensures a brighter future for Ghana's aviation sector and its people. Stick to this channel as I keep you updated on all the happenings on Ghana's aviation landscape. If you like contents like this also, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel as we always bring you riveting content. Check out this next video on other amazing projects happening right here in Ghana as well. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this video out.